Okay, this is gonna be after the live. This is the coasters I'm gonna make. I just didn't want to make everybody stick around and watch me do the coasters. Make sure everything's recording, and it is. So, these are the coasters I'm using. These are from Inkfish. You can get them on Amazon. There's a link to them in ATD's Amazon shop. Okay, this is what I usually do. I usually just pick up the resin off the table. Okay, because you don't want to waste your resin. And I've got some base tints left, so let me put some base tint on here. And some there. And I'm going to do kind of a mashup, so because I don't have enough for all three in one color. So I'm going to do a little bit of the white, and then I'm going to fill it in with the black. Can you tell how excited I get when I'm doing these coasters? This one right here you could call a smushy coaster, I guess. I am going to put a little bit of the black over here. Okay, now I think I got enough. All I'm doing is I'm just filling in these little holes. I will push it all the way to the edge. Because these are both base tints, so you're not going to get I don't think you get cells by putting a base tint over a base tint. I've never looked. Okay, now a little bit of the white over here, just to give it some white. Ah, come on. Okay. I might start doing this after every one of my lives. When I stop it, is do a recording called after the show and do my coasters, because I didn't want to keep everybody there. Wait a minute, I want to pick up a little bit more of this gold. I know this looks weird, but it's the only way I know to get the resin up. It sticks better to your glove than it does the stick. Okay, there. Now I got all the gold up that I can. I got more gold over there, but hey, that's not really wasting it. I'd spend way too much time just trying to get it up. Okay. Now I'm basically just pushing the resin that I can over to the edge. And for those of you that don't know, these are just spray cap covers. The spray can lids. They make the best little props, and most of the spray cans that you buy, all the caps are the same height, which is pretty neat. And so that they make, and the resin peels if you let it dry, it peels right off of them so easy. I don't know how many of you use other things that you got to sit there and pick the resin off of. There is another thing you can use for a base below these, and that is those cake molds that you can make into okay, what am I looking for? Well, heat gun now. Just getting rid of the air bubbles. Don't have to blow the dust bunnies out or dust boogers, because they've already been blown way far away. Okay. Oh, I love this. Okay, I know I'm concentrating, sorry. um, Trying to get even lines. Wow, I got a lot of this. I got a lot of these. Well, I think I got a half a mold left that on my shot glasses that isn't filled, so that's probably where I'm going to end up putting that. I forgot to do this time right here. I forgot to do that trick that Tammy Anderson said the other day. When you're doing lines, you want to do it with a bigger stick than these popsicle stick widths. You want to do it with the bigger craft sticks because you get, I guess it's because you get more resin on it. Okay, I'm not going to sit here and dribble lines. I got a lot of this left. So, I'm going to do a blue line there and a blue line there. Yeah, I'm probably going to swipe. This one's going to look like the odd one out. Okay, this one could use a little bit more pink and purple. Mix. Okay. Hope you guys aren't bored. This one could use a little bit more pink too. Yeah, why not? Okay, and I want to put some more purple on this one especially because the black is just eating that purple up. But that's what I like about Stone Coat Countertops. I'm using their art resin today. It's got a long working time of at least 45 minutes to an hour. I've seen some people work it longer than that. Okay, got enough purple there. Okay, now I gotta remember I got that camera on me now. I shouldn't be wiping my nose on camera. Sorry about that. Gotta fix my little thing here too that covers up my that covers up my switch. Somebody just texted me and I don't know who it was. Might have been Sherry. Okay, let's do some little swipey swipies. Didn't want to swipe all of it off, so okay. Let me just wipe it right there. I got more than enough resin on these. Oh boy. Okay, now a touch of gold. Just to accent some of the lines. We'll blow out those lines and then we will call these guys done. You know, I forgot to do something on my live and I don't have a name written down. So just go back through some of my old videos. I do these shout outs to new artists on not Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Well, I'm going to start doing the Instagram ones that I know. So whenever you see me do a shout out and I put a link or an iCard up in the corner, go check them out. Just go see what they're doing. You'd be surprised. There are some hidden gems out there. This one could use a little bit more gold. I know, I'm getting carried away with the gold, huh? Okay. A little bit more gold here just to separate those colors. Okay, let's blow these guys out and then I'll end the video. Now you gotta be careful when you're using these cardboard ones, they blow too easy. So you don't want to blow them right off your little stands or supports or whatever you want to call them. Your little spray cap stand. I want to get that gold over just a little bit. I'm loving these. I tell you, I am loving these. Okay. You know what? That's a wrap. I'm going to let them sit for a few, wipe away the drips, and then put them in my dust-free zone. Trying to get them together for a good picture. Anyway, well, thank you for watching this edition of After the Live. Smushy coasters. Well, leftover resin coasters. So, thank you all for watching. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do. And don't forget to hit the little bell for the notifications. Wait a minute. Let me get me on camera again while I'm saying this. Don't forget to hit the little bell for your notifications, and like, comment, and share. I thank you all for watching. I love the resin right out of you. So this is it. Have a nice day. Bye for now.